What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K webcam and I have also bought myself a remote controller for this OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K webcam. Well, before we talk about the specifications and performance, let's quickly do the unboxing. Inside the box I have got a user manual, a very nice and thick user manual which comes in many different languages and a warranty card. This OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K webcam comes with 12 months of warranty, so yeah, it's hassle-free. It's really nice that this one comes in a pouch and we can carry it when we are traveling using this pouch. Cool. Other than the OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K, we have also got a stand. This is actually a mount, a premium quality very long USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-A to USB-C dongle. Okay, the mount that comes with this OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K webcam is a very nice one. This one comes with a very nice and strong hinge and this one has a very sturdy build quality. Using this mount, we can put this OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K webcam in any direction on any surface. Well, the design is pretty subjective. Different people likes different type of design. But if you ask me personally, I truly love this design. This one has a very nice outlook and appearance. And the design language that OBSBOT has used is pretty unique. There are some unique circles, unique cutouts, unique curves, which gives this webcam a totally different outlook. In terms of build quality, I would give this one 10 out of 10 because this one is built with premium materials. And yeah, this one has even survived 2 harsh drops. In front, you will notice that OBSBOT has printed their brand name. There are 2 microphones in front. At the back, there is a USB-C port. At the bottom, there are some pogo pins. And on top, yeah, that's our OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K webcam, which comes with 2-axis gimbal. The most important thing is this one comes with a 0.67-inch sensor. Yeah, in traditional language, that's 1 by 1.5-inch CMOS sensor, and this one supports auto tracking with auto zoom by 2-axis gimbal. This one has 4 times faster focusing, 10 times faster USB Type-C 3.0 data transmission, and yeah, this one definitely supports 4K up to 4K 30 frames per second or 1080p 60 frames per second. This one also supports 4 times zoom. There are a few special features that this one comes with. The first thing is this one comes with dual omnidirectional mics with noise reduction. That means this one offers noise cancellation, and when I have used this one in some video calls in some office meetings, and most of my friends and workmates, they have asked me, how come your voice suddenly became so rich and clear? Kudos to OBSBOT. This one also has optimum beauty mode, magical gesture control 2.0, hands-free voice control, and tiny smart remote controller. Yeah, here comes the remote controller. Let me quickly unbox it. Inside the box, you will get the remote controller and some paperwork. The remote controller itself has a very nice outlook and appearance and comes with sturdy build quality. Well, let's talk about the features and performance. The first thing I like about this OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K is this one comes with AI tracking with auto zoom. That's really an amazing thing. With 2-axis gimbal and deep neural learning network algorithm, OBSBOT Tiny 2 is able to accurately and fluently track the target to keep the person in focus throughout the video. And more importantly, now it can even auto-adjust the zoom settings during tracking. Due to the upgraded algorithm, the hand tracking and zone tracking functions are available to Tiny 2, which actually gives a smooth user experience and provides more convenience to life. At the beginning, I have mentioned that this one comes with 4 times faster focusing. With the new all-pixel autofocus technology, every pixel over the 50 megapixel sensor surface provides accurate and 4 times faster focusing for achieving high-speed focus. This one has high resolution, high sensitivity, and high dynamic range even in dim lighting condition. Before I talk about how good is the video performance, let me show you something. Yeah, this is how I used to look in the past because I've been using my laptop's webcam. Most of the time when I was like in the meeting, people have always asked me, what happened to you? Why do you look like this? So when I have bought this OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K, yeah, now I feel like I look much more fresh because this one offers 4K video. As OBSBOT have managed to optimize the software for the hardware, as this one has a 1 by 1.5 inch CMOS sensor, and yeah, OBSBOT has their own camera calibration technology. Altogether, this OBSBOT Tiny 2 offers videos with sharper textures, higher definition, more detail level, wider dynamic range, and this one can do natural color tone mapping. This one also comes with Pix Gain HDR. With the dual native ISO, OBSBOT Tiny 2 can capture two images with the two native ISOs separately and can automatically switch to the appropriate ISO in different lighting situations. And as OBSBOT has combined this technology with their advanced algorithm, this OBSBOT Tiny 2 offers a very good picture quality in both the well-lit environment or in a dark light environment. The funny thing is, I've been playing with this. Like, this one comes with voice control option. It's really nice. I have to say hi Tiny to awake the camera from sleep mode, and I can just say sleep Tiny and it will go to sleep. I can use the commands like track me, unlock me, position 1, position 2, position 3, or zoom in closer, zoom out further. There are a lot of commands. Hi Tiny, zoom out further. Hi Tiny, zoom out further. Zoom in closer. Zoom out further. We can also use this one with Alexa and Google Assistant. When I have bought this one, I was like a bit skeptical. I didn't even believe that the gesture control would be this good. We can use this one with gesture control, and this one can read every gestures pretty clearly. This one is super responsive to gestures. Sometimes when I don't want to use the keyboard and when I don't want to reach for the remote, I just use gesture control because maybe I'm in a meeting or maybe I'm in a very silent environment. So yeah, this gesture control is super responsive and I'm super satisfied with its performance. Finally, before I talk about the remote and the application, there is a very nice thing. This one comes with a privacy mode. We can select a picture, and when this OBSBOT enters sleep mode, the camera will automatically stream the preset video or picture. So nobody is gonna see what's happening. We can just pre-record a video or we can select a picture which this OBSBOT Tiny 2 will automatically stream. Well, here comes the remote control. There is a power button and there are 4 buttons because we can actually use a single remote control with 4 different OBSBOT products. So we can select number 1, number 2, number 3 or number 4, which device we wanna control. There are 3 other buttons, P1, P2, P3. These are preset positions of the webcam. There is a center button along with the gimbal control button, and underneath that there is this zoom control buttons. We also have 3 different buttons for tracking, zooming in to close up, and hand gesture mode. We have this whiteboard button and page up, page down button. I'm not gonna convert this video into a tutorial. Just one thing, this remote control is very responsive and this remote control brings a lot of convenience to life, especially in some meeting or in presentation. This one is really a very useful tool. Okay, let's talk about the application. Inside the application, there are a few different buttons on top: video preview, sleep, resume, remote controller, global hotkeys, virtual camera, and OSC. Underneath that, there are 3 different presets: preset 1, preset 2, preset 3. There is AI human tracking option. We can do zone tracking. We can select the zone that we want this OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K to track. We can select between standard tracking or motion tracking. There is this normal tracking option. We can select between normal tracking, upper body, close up, headless, and lower body. Underneath, we can select AI mode. There is desk mode, whiteboard mode, hand mode, and group mode. In the next tab, image, there are some options to select between different modes and select a video or image quality. We can select compensation, we can select anti-flicker mode, we can select color temperature, we can select image quality, and then there is this beauty tab where we can add background blur. We can even select blur level. Then we can select beauty effects like native, classic, or men. We can even add some body shape effects like body slim, this and that. If you want to go through, you can go through and add some beauty effects. Finally, there is another tab, more. where we can select sleep time, sleep background, gesture control, voice control, and initial position. Well, I have been using this OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K with this remote control for the past couple of weeks, and I'm super satisfied with the performance. Especially there are three things I need to mention before I wrap up this video. Number one, the video quality. That's the most important thing of any webcam, and this one offers crisp and clear 4K output. Number two, as this is a AI webcam, I was like a bit skeptical at the beginning. I thought that it wouldn't perform like what the brand is claiming, so I didn't use all the tracking options at the beginning. But slowly when I have started to use the tracking options, wow, it's addictive. Because this one performs so good that now I'm addicted to this one. I cannot even use any other webcams. I cannot even use any other devices. Like, I always look for this OBSBOT Tiny 2 because when I'm using this one, I can move around and I'm still in focus. I'm still in the center of the video. Most of the other webcams cannot do that, especially when I move too fast or when the lighting is not enough. Most of the other webcams fails, where OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K performs like a beast. Number 3, gesture control and voice command. Yeah, many other brands are offering these things, but how many of those actually works? How many of those actually adds any value or adds any convenience to life? This OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K along with its application, well developed application, together makes it very easy to use this device and provides a lot of convenience, especially in meeting or online class or in any online session. Even if someone wanna record some videos, this one works like a personal assistant. Like, I'm using a $3,000 DSLR in front of me to record this video, but if I move, will it move or will it keep me in zoom in the center? Nope. But OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K can do that. Truly, kudos to OBSBOT. Well, I have left a link of this product in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead, check the link, check the product. But before that, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.